Watch. You don't know the world, it's not a plan. You already know a franchise is choosing one. The 10-star general, and you don't know in time I come to represent and I'm not pretty. When you know a hardcore thing I deal with, because you don't know a dancehall for me, a big hardcore thing. But you see that look up what the name Vendetta. When I say name Rockback Vendetta TV or Rockback Vendetta, whatever I want fucking name. Right now, you know I tell you something you. It now go do nothing by just following up me. Every one of my page, you follow me up and I trace me off about alkaline. You's a girl or what, man? When I go look a girl, man, the man not tell us if you go get oats, nut, egg and all of them something there and stop the gen and blend it up and turn it to your head and go get your children. Because you don't have nobody in a dog, that's why you have so much time for them either. Go look some pussy in a dog. You hear that? Tell me what of this shit doing for you lately. Because look for me, dog. Look, may I show you right over. Look, because you tell me, you're there flanker, St. James. Look, I'm in New York City, me there, dog. Dog, anywhere at all, I want to go, me, All I do is just take out my card, dog. All I do is take out my card and make a reservation, and give them my account number. That's it, dog. I'm a thing gone on my phone and I go anywhere at all I want, dog. I'm a global, dog. I'm a global. You see me? I'm not limited for stuck in a one place. I go all different country, dog. And you're stuck in a flanker alone. So how you fuck if you come chat to me? I'm going to tell you again. Because I teach you and it look like you don't have sense. So let me teach you look at you. I'm going to tell you again. Because it look like you don't have no moral. You know what I mean? Let me tell you again. If it's not Vybes Kartel I run the place, who I run the place? Alright. I'm going to follow you. You say alkaline. Tell me what alkaline do for I run the place. What have him bring to dancehall if him around the place? Alkaline like any one of them at dancehall artists there. Where do them thing. I mean, like, don't get me wrong, Alkaline a good artist, Nice, upcoming, new sensation to the table. But you don't want to bring him in a level which for him don't belongs. You see me? Because Alkaline, how him coming at dancehall? All of him use coming at dancehall a Vybes Kartel thing. So, not until he move on from this and start set trend for himself. You hear that? The bleaching, Vybes Kartel make that popular in Jamaica. You hear that? Man, I put extension in him ear, Vybes Kartel make that popular in Jamaica. Tattoo, Vybes Kartel make that popular in Jamaica. Vybes Kartel make you have no more stutch girl uptown. The whole of them turn freaky and bore them belly neighbor and be a tattoo, and that's why corporate people don't like them, man. You hear that? Vybes Kartel tell all of them no stutch girl there in Jamaica. And I like one time when me and you, an uptown girl can't ask stutch. Them not act that like a man no look on you. Because your shit can't make party. And Vybes Kartel change all of them shit there, yo. You hear me? And at that him use, at the man image and everything him use to the man and butts. You hear that? The first thing him do a tattoo him iron tell, same put in tattoo in an iron tell lie when him know it's a contact lens. And when Winfred asks him over and over, him lie to the man. And when time when send pressure about him act like him did want disrespect the man. You know what I mean? Don't come talk to me like you hear that now you. You can't chat to me, man. You can chat to me, dog, right now, Me I talk to you, I work me there, dog. Me sure know you broke, dog. I work me there, Work me that pussy, me not broke. It's hard for me broke. You hear that pussy? The only time I broke, let me tell you something, pussy. The only time I broke, I when I broke in a girl hole. You hear that pussy? And you're there. You're there. In a flanker. I'm dead for hunger right now. Are you the man them send go buy a spliff? Are you the man them send go buy Whistler boy? Are you the man them send go buy condom when them want fuck them girl? You a waste man, dog. You can't talk to me. Pussy look which one me there you tell me about blood clad flanker. What you tell me about? I say me a junglist life pussy. Now tell me about flanker. Flanker no recognize as no bad place. You don't got to be a wickedness. When you talk about badness, you talk about Jungle, Tivoli and Rima, the foundation place, them there badness, pussy. There are enough people in a flank and don't know which one name Jungle. A Kingstonian go down at them place, they go turn up down at them place, the batty boy. You can't chat to me? You're a clown. You know how long you want to reach as a pussy? And you can't reach. You can't buy out your way nor batty out your way. Eh? You know how long you want to reach as a pussy? And you dream that. for reach us up. And by the time you get the dream for reach blood clot, you're so pussy me all over the world. I've been set myself like that already, pussy. Me a global youth. I don't know one regular pace youth like you, boy. Let me tell you something. Me's not a vloggers. You hear that? Me a dancehall revolutionist with my mouth. For pussy like Uno when they come and I want to mislead the people them and I tell them the wrong thing. And me come and straighten up them and make them know the truth. You hear me? Because we don't have to do that. We don't do that for hype. We do that with beat on the face because we know on a lie. You know what I mean? And you can't come tell no lie when me there about because I go straighten on out. You hear that, boy? You hear that? Check the internet and look where Carly D write up on her thing. She did go visit Alkaline or you batty boy. Eh? You can't talk to man. Eh? Before Alkaline start go high school, what you think? Him born and listen to Vybes Kartel. What you think? You think me not know a cartel name him just a use to keep himself relevant in the business? So that mean as far as cartel reach him can itch on pan it like a bandwagon. You think me not know that? Let me tell you something, dog. St. James where you talk about, Mobile. Them place they recognize as doing wickedness. For nothing at all. You hear that? When you talk about badness, you a jungle and Tivoli and Rima you talk about. You hear that? When you talk about badness, let me tell you the foundation badness in Jamaica. You hear that? They come tell me about no stupidness, dog. They come tell me about no country, dog. And what do you want to just try for style at a city, a country? A St. James, a food. What you talk about? A food, eh? A 14 parish Jamaica have. And tell me if Dongamobile is not one of them. If them is not a parish. Don't come play with me, no dog. I want me to you think you can come play with me. You think a lollipop thing me deal with, dog? Tell you something, you know, you. Show yourself as I tell you, because you say I can't kick in your body wash mode. That you say, I can't kick in your body wash mode. Well, take off Alkaline picture off of the page and show your face, pussy. You hear me? That if you do. You're a waste man, dog. You're a boy man, Senegal, boat man. You hear me? You hide yourself behind camera and go like you're tough. Where you deal with, dog? I'm a global youth. Pussy, I'm global. Look all over, pussy, a global. You hear that? You hear that? You see? You see, pussy? You see? You hear me? Meanwhile, you see right now, I hide after I hide in a bush. My global, I sitting me there. But then at the capital for the world. At the capital this is the world, New York City. You hear that? Watch. General, 10 star, Vybes Kartel, king of dancehall. Come suck my mouth and stop me from saying that. Watch, Kartel run the world. Who can stop that? Eh? Who can stop me from saying that? Watch. I live on overtime, a bar time you live on body, man. Because you don't have no time, none at all. You never enjoy your life. You enjoy your life? You ever enjoy your life? You left out of Flanker, you left Jamaica. Eh? Body boy. Eh? You know which part Paris there yet? You ever take the flight first class go to Paris yet, pussy? Eh? You can chat to me? You crazy? All type of nation I deal with, batty boy. I not deal with one nation. You limit. Me above level. You hear that? Me not dep on no level. Me is above level. And that's why I come and deal with it any way I want to deal with it. You hear that? The world, it's not a plan, a franchise. Choosing one. 10 star general, and I say cartel, dancehall hero, cartel, dancehall king, cartel, lift up dancehall, cartel, make dancehall up on the forefront where it is right now, and none of them do that. A cartel have all the tune them on the billboard, it, Popcorn, and Charlie Black Sword here, cartel do that, you hear that? I make dancehall up on the level where it's up on right now. Tell your artist to do something different and set a standard for himself. What? General. 10 star, junglist life. What? You're country boy. What? Our junglist pull on a pick up boy. We're talking stone and put on a pick up. What? And we set the trend. You hear that? I make pussy follow. What? You hear that? What? Cool like a motherfucker, but I still have to come tell you about your blood clot with dirty self, pussy. What? Listen to mosquito and fly and sandfly bite your body, boy. What?